Alright, so I should be streaming. Yes! We are live.
Yeah, I'm live too.
We are live.
Oh my god.
Hey,
Hold on. Getting so many echoes.
Really, you're getting
Hold on.
echoes?
I thought it's me. I just have like multiple YouTube windows open here.
There was a character in Lost called Echo. Mr. Echo. Anybody remember that? No? Just me?
Wait,
I
I'm
think
definitely hearing one of your games now. That's not me.
Could be
yeah,
mine.
it's
Mine is on the title screen right now, so there's absolutely no sound right now. Absolutely
Yeah, I think-
quiet. Okay, now there's a gameplay. So if it's too
I
loud,
definitely-
if it's too loud and distracting, I'll lower the volume.
I just hear us talking in the background to somebody.
All right. How about this now? Well, it's the volume is much lower now. It's because I changed my setup. You know how I moved everything. I moved everything to my gaming room.
wait. You still have
No,
the
no.
game?
I'm hearing somebody's stream. It's not like the volume situation. Somebody's stream
Oh no,
is
must be
playing
mine.
on
I
their
think.
stream.
No, it's not mine actually. No, I was gonna say mine, but it's not mine. No.
I think
Definitely
it's
not.
fine.
No, my stream is not even open, so it's not mine.
Yeah.
I don't even watch my own stream. I forgot to say hello to Dada. Dada! Da.
No, I have my stream on, but I have muted the volume there.
My stream is definitely closed. So you're hearing, maybe it's your own, stream. True, check your windows.
I've checked my streams. None of my, I don't even. All I do is turn my streams on, then pause them because I don't want to like hear it. I'm gonna hear us the entire time apparently because I still hear us talking.
Yeah, same here. I think you're hearing my game.
That's what it was.
What was it?
Damn it, Vloggy. It was Twitter. When I clicked your link, the Twitter link played on the Twitter stream.
You see, I knew the problem was you.
Problems.
I need to say hello. I need to say hello to Dada already said. Levy, hello. And Amy is here, and Veronique is here, and
Hey.
Beodrick. Hello, welcome. Welcome.
No, Amy is actually joining us, guys. Let's get her on the mic.
Yeah, let's get Amy.
Everybody!
Hello, Amy.
Oh, hey, it's nice.
Hey, everyone.
Cabbage.
I hope Vloggy takes his shit off. Oh, crikey.
Okay, so what are we gonna say, or we're just gonna chat?
You know she can join us on Discord anytime, you know, right? She can be like, shut up!
She just did join us. She's here, and then Sakura's here. Hey, I'm Sakura. I'm really mean to TRU all the time. That's Sakura right there.
Oh man. Alright, so.
Hold on. Wait. I forgot something.
Biohazard. Look, it's True. Hello, True. Welcome to the stream.
Okay.
TRU, I'm not woohooing you now. Oh no! I take it back. Amy, I take it back.
She's not wahooing you.
She's not gonna woohoo me. I take it back.
That is a great
Vloggy.
series. If you want to see,
Vloggy did it.
if you would like to see True, Amy, Sakura, and Vloggy living under the same roof, you should watch True's stream.
Yes, it's totally realistic of what would happen in real life.
Alright, so next. Alright, I hope this is all set up. It should be.
Alright. Are you gonna make the room?
Yeah, I will create the room, yeah. I shall
Okay.
create the room. Alright, so previous connection should be fine. Next, alright.
Nope.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh wait, I forgot something.
Is the stream quality okay, guys? Whoever's watching, is the stream quality okay? Like the volumes of the True and the Cheer, the volumes of the Vloggy, the volumes of the game.
Done. I forgot to enable the chat. My stream.
I always find it harder to get the volume right rather than the image right. I feel like volume quality is easily achieved, video quality, but audio is a nightmare sometimes. I feel.
Yeah. I still can't get the sound right on The Sims. It still sounds so weird on all my streams. I don't know what it is.
Hey everyone in Vlogger stream. How you doing?
Hey.
Well, there's nobody in my stream, so just
Look at that! It says Alyssa wrote.
stream.
It says Alyssa wrote a file for Resident Evil 7 at the bottom. That is so cool. There's a Resident Evil 7 reference in Resident Evil Outbreak. That is so cool.
Where? Where?
You know at the bottom how you get the tip sometimes, like don't be a butt and spam, like help me please.
Oh, yeah.
There was one that says Alyssa wrote a file in RE7. That is so cool. That.
Wow.
Yeah, I got the nerdgasm there. Kid you not. I just got a notification on my phone. YouTube Gaming, the True Nightfall is live.
What? How come I don't ever get your notifications? These
Because I'm a discreet streamer.
You're very...
Oh my goodness! That That is. Oh my goodness, Drew. Oh my goodness, Drew. That is such a good impression.
My impressions are getting so
Hey,
good.
Hunter. How you doing?
Drew, that is such a great Amy impression.
I've been practicing all weekend, guys.
How are you? How are you, Amy? It's nice to hear your voice.
Yeah, not bad.
May Bob bless you.
Hey, Amy. How you doing?
Hey, Cheer, how you doing?
All right, so what we
I'm
do
doing great.
is
How are you?
free area, yes, I suppose, and then we go. Where do we go? Quick start. Free.
No.
No, I think this is-
Hey.
I'll see you in a bit.
Okay, see you, Amy. Take care.
Alright,
Hey.
see ya.
That was nice of her to drop by. All right, so room title.
Hold on. I'm
Creating a room right now, and it's gonna be called All Bees.
Oh, man.
And the password is Amy.
Hey.
Amy. The password is Amy, all lowercase, okay?
The room is called Bollocks.
No, it's all these. Difficulty. We're gonna start with easy, and we're gonna do the wow, desperate times. We're gonna go into the police station today. And
yeah.
Let's go. All right, the room is created, I think.
I found you.
So yeah,
wait. I'm still logging in.
it's okay.
I can finally beat the different marks. I'm gonna be Mark B. I don't even know what he looks like.
There's one. He's dressed like a golfer or something. I think, like with the white
Oh,
shirt.
nice.
The golfer mark.
Nice.
So yeah, the room is called.
please,
If
Yeah,
anybody's
well,
watching, that would like to join, the room is called BB, and the password is Amy. How random. Amy's like,
Hey.
Amy's like, is this on PS3? Kappa.
No, it's not. It's
No,
impossible to
it's
get
on-
to work on PS3.
It's impossible to get on PS3. I don't even know anybody who works against.
I don't know anybody who's crazy enough to get
I
that
think it's
to work.
impossible. Anybody who claims to play the ones on PS3 is a liar.
It's a liar. They're playing it on PC because PC Master Race rules. That's how it is.
This is on the PC Master Race. Why is nobody in the room? Oh yeah, there's one in the room.
I'm in the room.
Yes, okay, I see you. Yes, 2 out of 4. If anybody wants to join,
Wait.
password is Amy. All right.
Tears messing around over there.
Mr. Moore, welcome to the house. To the house? Yeah.
No.
Welcome.
Keep it. That's doesn't want to log me in.
It doesn't. Why not? What are you doing?
Damn
bro?
it, cheer.
What are you? Are you
I'm
putting?
trying to log in.
Are you putting in your password on your live stream, like everybody can see it?
Hey,
Oh yes.
log
I
into
can
your
tell
bank
you.
account real fast. I gotta make sure your stream is working.
Amy, when you come over one day in like 2057, bring your PS3
Yeah,
with you.
Yeah, I can change it, right?
Bring your PS3 with you, and we'll like play in different rooms. I have 2 TVs, and we'll play separately.
It'll be
Wait.
old school, like
How
you know,
did I,
your friends come over to play Super Nintendo.
Yeah, exactly.
How do I?
Cheer.
Wait.
You have to go in free mode. Are you online yet?
No! It keeps telling me that I failed.
Oh, are you on the thing where it like does the loading the like 100% thing and it doesn't work there?
No. When I try to log in.
Maybe you put in the password incorrectly.
Oh, you mean just log into your forum name or whatever?
Yeah.
Maybe you
Oh.
put in your password incorrectly. I don't know. Are you?
Oh wait, are you doing it on the browser or are you doing it in the game?
In the game.
Do it on the browser. Try it with the browser. Try doing it on the browser, and then when you go to the game, it will ask you already logged in on the browser. You will just log in from there, and it's easier that way. That's how we log on now.
I didn't even
True
log
taught me
in
that
this
lesson.
morning. I logged in yesterday and it kept me logged in. And it logged me into the game instantly.
Your browser is very secure.
My browser's super secure. I don't know about the website though. I always get weird little messages like this website is unsecure.
You know?
Like,
Really? I know. I never get that. No, I never get that.
I don't know.
The last time I was, I logged onto the website. I'm like, I'm gonna log onto the website, so when I go into the game, I can log in right away easily. And every couple of seconds, I keep hearing like a tick, tick.
Oh yeah, the
What's
website.
this? What's going on with my computer? Is this sound coming out of my computer? Is it coming out of my TV? What's going on? What's this sound? Is it my controller? What's this tick, 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 tick? And then I realized it was the website. There's a chat going on.
Yeah.
Somebody posts something in the chat. Oh my goodness, that was
It
hilarious.
took me a minute to find that too. I'm like, what is
Yeah.
all this clicking noises on this website?
Yeah,
Like, why is it
exactly.
so clicky?
No, I didn't realize it was the website. Oh, something's wrong with my computer. Like the hard disk was like failing or something. Tick, tick.
Yeah.
You know how it is. Sometimes they make noises. I thought like maybe it's coming out of my TV, and there it was coming out of my TV. Like what? And then I muted my TV to see if I can hear it. And I didn't hear anything. Like, all right. So it's the volume. Something. I'm like, I must have something open on the browser, and it was. Oh, that freaked me out. Because it doesn't sound like a notification for chat. It's just a tick, click.
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Something like that. Like,
Oh yeah, and did everybody know that Amy's gonna start playing Minecraft? She's gonna be a Minecraft expert.
oh, man, that would be so
Official.
awesome. I think we should all play Minecraft, like Outbreak team. We should go
I
on
have
Minecraft.
never played it.
Yeah, exactly. That would be the awesome part. Me teaching you all how to play the game. I think it would be hilarious.
I've watched so many videos of people playing it, but yeah, it's kind of weird.
I think it would be hilarious. There's a creative element, like you can build any house, any tower, anything you want, and it's amazing
Oh,
what
yeah,
you can
yeah.
build. And there's the survival element, like at night, when it goes dark, zombies come out. There's spiders, there's skeletons. So you have to make sure you have shelter, enough food, you know, or if you want to brave the night, you can have some weapons. It's so good.
Yeah.
It's such a great game. I mean, people just don't give it a chance because of the way it looks, but it's such a great game. I'm not playing
yeah.
Minecraft. Shut up, Amy. Go away. Go away. Stop playing Minecraft. Come on.
Amy.
And I thought you were.
Amy.
I thought you were an artist, and you had creative,
I'll
creative mind.
I'll make a pact. If Amy plays Minecraft, I will buy Minecraft to play with you.
There we go. There you go.
If
Medna.
Amy does it,
Medna.
I'm in.
Medna. I said I will never play it. No, I don't think so. I don't think I ever said I will never play Minecraft. I love Minecraft. I don't think I ever said that. Or maybe if I did, I was
gonna
having a few
be-
drinks.
I
Cheer.
watched Dan
Cheer, where are you?
play.
Cheer, where are you?
Cheer,
I'm on my way.
cheer.
Cheer, are you dead? Are you rip? I think you
No, I'm alive.
Are you? Did you manage to get in?
Yeah, I'm trying to log in
Stick
for
on
the.
So, yeah, but yeah, it's really great for creative minds. I think Minecraft. It's really amazing. Sometimes I get inspired, and I've been thinking for a while now.
I figured out why.
What? Why?
You put the wrong password in?
No, I'm
Wrong
using the wrong
username?
name. I'm using the wrong name.
I've been thinking. What? You've been using what?
The wrong name.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm thinking of building the Raccoon Police Department in Minecraft. I don't know. I feel like doing
Oh.
that. Yeah.
Well, that would be perfect because then zombies attack at night.
That's true. It's true. I remember you saying
Actually,
that.
now that you say that, somebody must have made like Raccoon City in Minecraft. Somebody must have done that already.
Yes, they have. They have. I've seen that. It's Albert Wesker. Cheer with the fails.
Cheer, failing hard.
Hey Wesker, how are you?
What up?
I'm
What up,
thinking.
Mr. Albert.
I'm looking
Maybe
at.
I'm doing.
I'm looking at Wesker. I'm looking at Wesker's username. I'm thinking, why does it look so different? What's going on? Why is Albert Wesker's
what's
username
with
look
these
so different?
underscores?
Yeah, and then I realized he's not modded on the account that I modded him on is the one that he, and he deleted.
This is clearly
he
a
deleted.
fake Albert. You should
Yeah,
ban him.
you are a fake Albert Wesker.
We're tired of you fake Albert Weskers here. Get out of here.
Get out of here, fake Albert Wesker. Yeah, he actually deleted the account. He actually deleted it.
Oh wait, Minecraft rated everyone 10 plus. There's fantasy violence. I don't think I want to play that anymore. That sounds dangerous.
We should totally play Minecraft one day. We should totally play. It would be hilarious. It would be hilarious. And the thing is this: I don't think I have the patience. I would panic if it's getting dark and zombies are starting to spawn. I'm trying to teach you something and you're not getting it. I will start losing my patience and I'll start freaking out. Like, dude, come on, this way. I'll start doing that.
I know, really.
So I think it would be hilarious me
Because
trying
I
to keep
remember
my cool.
I remember when Minecraft was new and it was like getting popular and everyone was like, oh, it's impossible to play because like
Oh, shut up, Wesker.
you have like no idea how to make stuff.
I'm failing on purpose.
Failing on purpose. Can you not
Yeah.
fail on purpose though and like unfail yourself here?
Okay, if you're failing on purpose, we're really wasting our times here. You got 2
No,
minutes
no.
left to come into the room.
Yeah,
Cheer.
we need less fails. Yeah,
Yeah.
our game is about to leave without you.
The
Oh,
great
Raccoon
refrain.
City Police Department train is leaving in less than 2 minutes.
I can make it.
Do one of those little evil computer voice countdowns for him, like Resident Evil style.
Yeah, I'll do a Birkin or a Wesker, whatever impression. 1 minute, 37,
Ready?
36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 7 minutes. 7 minutes is all the time I can spare to play with you.
Go to play area, right?
Yeah, free area.
And then what?
and then keep going into free air, and then there's a room called BBBBBBBBB, and the password is Amy. I don't think I said hello to Jackhammer. Jackhammer, sorry.
Who's Jack?
Jackhammer's
Jack?
here. Jackhammer. Jackhammer wins.
I didn't see anybody insulting your knowledge of what.
1 minute
Jack
until
is about. I didn't know
detonation.
he was here.
1 minute until detonation.
Wait, I don't see Jackhammer. Where is he?
In my
Wait,
chat.
aim is with
says-
capital.
He says,
capital,
what?
right?
He says, what is this?
Wait. Aim with
Oh wow, yeah. I don't know how I missed that.
Yeah.
with
for-
capital letters or small letters?
Sorry?
Small.
The
Yes,
password.
lowercase, all small, yes. No uppercase.
You got 30 seconds to figure this out. No more
Yeah,
failing.
the train is leaving without. Can you imagine if he fails it like in the last second and we start the game without? We've been waiting all this time for nothing.
I know.
Oh man.
No, I'll be there in.
2 shakes of a
20
feather.
seconds.
Yeah, we'll
Oh,
be
there he is.
fast.
He's in.
Yeah, I
We're gonna
mean.
look up
A
Minecraft.
sip of water. Take a sip of water. And scenario will start.
No, I was just waiting, you know, for like 1 second, and then I come in.
There they are. There's the heroes. There's the heroes of the main stars of this game. Let's enjoy the
Oh,
Hey,
cutscene.
everyone.
yeah.
Let's enjoy the cutscene now. It's the RPD.
Wait,
That's
have I
my
played
favorite
this
thing.
one before?
I don't know, actually. I don't know. I'll explain what needs to be done. But let's enjoy the cutscene first.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some coffee now.
Take a look
Amy's
at this.
getting a cup of tea
It's a
for
map
us
of this
all.
place back in
Ah, yeah.
Bro.
That's very sweet of you, love.
There should be a ventilation tunnel underground.
It's Will Smith.
Can that
Cops
get
are
us out of
still
here?
alive.
Yeah,
It
it's
should,
like
but
the
it's so
moment the
narrow,
outbreak
you might be
happened
the only
at
one who can
station.
fit
That's
through.
like
Yeah.
it hasn't been abandoned yet or anything.
So I'll get help and come back, right? Looks like it's a race against time.
It's a
Now
race
that we've
against
lost
time, y'all.
communications, there's
We
nothing
gotta
else
No,
beat these
no,
All right,
zombies.
everyone. We gotta
You know,
hurry up and
that
find
place
a way
offers
into
a
that
shield.
tunnel.
Looks like
It's gonna
Sherry.
be our way out of here.
She does actually, yes, it's true. She does look like Sherry. So this is the first time I discovered that the police station was originally an art museum. And they're
You
saying
didn't know that from like way back when?
No, the first time I heard it on the PS2 era.
Oh wow! I'm in my golf uniform here.
Are you? Where are you? Oh no, we're all separated. I'm in the main hall.
Oh,
Where are
no.
you guys? Where are you guys?
guys?
I'm in the main hall.
I'm in like.
I spawned in the main
hallway.
hall. Which hallway? Come on, do you know the RPD by
I
heart?
have no idea where I
I'm,
am. By heart. Yo, if you go
Can we
back
all
to like
meet in the
1999, I knew it.
can we all meet in the main hall? Perhaps.
I got a handgun. Yeah. Let me find out where the hell I am. I'm in like these angles make
Oh,
me want to
wow.
like kill somebody. These angles of these.
Come on, it's the
Wait, gas neutralizing canister. Is that something we need?
Yeah, I
Yes,
have one.
yes, yes.
Should I
Take them.
take it?
Okay.
All right. I'm Oh, I see
I'm in the
something
first floor
shiny.
lobby. Okay,
Oh, I've discovered a pushing object.
It's so weird.
so we're going to the main hall, right?
Yes, main hall. Yes, let's meet up in the main hall. Amy, if I may ask, how come you ended buying Rainbow Six Vegas 2? Sorry, that was a question to Amy. Why did I read it out loud? It's not my business.
What's
Yeah,
the
Amy, why'd
difficulty?
you buy that?
Does anybody know the RPD by heart? Come on, I know this building.
Yeah, I
like
know
the
it.
back of my hand.
I am the RE expert. I know everything by heart. Don't judge
Yeah.
me.
What's going on?
You zombie.
Hey, Nikki,
Son
welcome.
of a monkey.
Welcome to the
I'm-
stream, Nikki. We're failing. Sorry.
Sorry.
I think I was in the
Hey.
room where.
Get away from that door. I need to go through
What's
it.
up, girl? What's up, girl? What's up, girl?
Okay, I see.
Okay,
Did you say what's up,
yeah.
girl?
Oh,
I'm-
I don't think
I'm
I
in the main
need
hall.
to be here.
I'm in the main hall and there's
I'm-
people here.
Oh crap. I'm on the rooftop? Bad. Good.
Yeah,
I'm in.
I am on the roof. I went the other way, guys.
Oh wait.
I hear gunshots though. Is somebody up? There's a cop up here.
yeah, okay, you really don't know your way around the police station.
Yeah, that's because I
Oh
wanted
no,
to see
this
how
is the wrong way.
Oh man.
Hold on, I'm coming back.
wait,
I'm
I'm-
coming back. I'm
Yeah, I'm-
in
I'm
golf
gonna-
mode, alright?
You're
I'm near the interrogation room. Went to the wrong
Oh,
way.
SWAT 3? I downloaded SWAT 3 and haven't played it yet. Oh, why the hell is... Hey, hey,
Okay.
I'm like getting poisoned to death.
Oh man. Okay, so what we need to
I'm
do.
in a hall of poison and I'm
Okay,
gonna turn into a zombie very soon.
Oh, seriously, come on, man. Ah.
Why the hell was that ball full of poison all of a sudden?
We need to find some sort of like, what are they called? Like emblems or something. We need to find, like, we need to make a circle. They're like, it's hard to explain. We need to put them in the fountain, basically. They form a whole disc, like a circular disc. But
Hold on, I'm coming.
I need to switch my
No,
weapon.
no. I think.
Oh wow, I'm screwed. I'm totally screwed. I went in this hall, and now the only way out is through this poison place.
Yeah, you just need to wait. If the room is full of gas or something,
Wait,
you need to
Wait,
wait
is
till
it,
it goes off. But oh wow, liquors, nice.
is it
Wait a
like
minute.
a brown room? Has brown.
Let me use this neutralizing stuff here. That'll
Okay,
Exactly.
I'm in the second floor is hall.
there. Jesus. Oh hey, there's Cheer.
Hey!
Wait, you guys
Okay.
met? That's not fair.
Cheer
Yeah,
just got
but-
poisoned.
Uh-huh.
Cheer, that's
Yeah,
a dead end that way. Just so you know, I've already like.
Wait, no, I'm alright. I'm on caution.
Where are you guys? Nobody knows the Resident
Uh,
Evil police station?
No, we're in the
Well,
second
I
floor is
know
hall.
it, but well, I don't know where Cheer came from.
Oh, I came from the stairways.
I told you not to go
Yeah.
that way. I told you it was a dead end. I don't know why you don't listen to me.
We need to
No,
meet.
no. Yeah, we're in the emergency.
Alright. Let's go down here.
No,
Fooling around, Cheer. I'm an expert. Hey, there's a cop down here.
hey, yeah, that's where I came from.
Well, upstairs is not gonna help us because that's upstairs and not downstairs.
Yeah. We're in the Ace office right now. Where should we go?
Alright,
There's
okay,
a locked door.
would you like to meet me in the main
Yeah.
hall?
Well,
Yeah,
no, we can't get there. Wait, yeah, this door's unlocked. Cheer.
What's
You
this
not-
door? No, I'm not.
Here's a fun
Okay, we're
fact.
coming to you.
Here's a fun fact. One day,
Oh no, poison. Going back.
just get out of the room
Wait.
if the room is gassed or something. So here's a fun
Already,
fact. When they redesigned the police
I
station,
have a gas neutralizer.
when they
Did you use
redesigned the police station for this game, they forgot to add the third floor. So funny. They didn't
Oh.
add the third floor. Yeah, it looks weird. It's missing from the main hall. It's so weird.
Hey, Nikki.
Oh,
Welcome
There's
to
a
the
damn
stream.
zombie where you were. Get off me, zombie.
I'm gonna come look for you because you guys are totally lost.
We're not lost.
You guys are lost
We're
without
not.
me.
Lost in the sauce.
No,
I'm
I'm
going
in the night shift room.
Alright,
Oh, yep, I'm in there too. The night duty room.
hang on,
Yeah.
there's something up there.
Yeah, I see you.
Hey, there's a phone here. Let's call 911. Help!
Help me, please! Oh, I got the ruby plate. There you go. We need to collect plates.
Ow! Jerk.
We need to collect the plates. Help me, please.
Yeah.
Got a sweet lighter. Oh,
Yeah,
she's
I-
still alive. Oh!
Alright,
Stop
so-
me, business zombie.
Uh-oh. We can't go outside because it's gas.
Oh, damn it. I just walked out.
Where are
Why
you
is there
guys?
gas everywhere all the time? Why is this happening?
If the room is gassy, giggity. What?
Yes,
If the room is gassy, just get out of there and wait till it goes off, till it clears, because it stops sooner or later. So I'm gonna put the ruby
All
plate
right.
into the fountain.
Here, it's
Yeah.
still poison out there.
I'm going back.
The canister gases clear the gas, but it's not worth wasting. Let me just wait.
Yeah, I already wasted one on that stupid hallway. Oh, I gotta.
Here I am in the
Here's
main hall.
copied in real life and in game.
Here I am in the main hall.
Oh,
Find
I
this-
hear a.
What's this?
Wait, what is this?
Unicorn medal. Why take it? I don't need it.
I don't know. What's the combination for that safe?
That's a very good question. I don't know. Oh, you're up there? You climbed on the thing or what? No, I know where you are. You're in the offices, right?
Yeah.
I've
I'm
unlocked
in the
it.
office.
I unlocked the door for you guys. That's why you couldn't make it to the police station. The door was locked. Whoops!
Yeah.
That's why I couldn't
Yeah,
make it to the main hall. Sorry, I just unlocked the door for you.
Floggy.
I just unlocked the door
Okay.
for you. Alright, guys, where are you? Are you
Oh,
together?
Now
I'm in the first floor lobby.
I'm coming.
Going to the main hall.
Wait, I think I just went in the basement.
I just heard the
It's
door
scary down
open.
here.
Somebody just came through. Oh, there you are! Yo!
Hey,
Yeah,
Kevin.
man.
Help me!
Where's True?
I don't know.
I thought you were through. Where's True?
Oh, she ran out into the poison.
Yeah, I went back to the main hall.
Okay, describe where you are, True. Describe where you are.
There's a moose head.
Moosehead. I know where you are. I know where you are.
The night watch office.
I know where you are. I'm coming.
And I'm in my golfing
Actually-
attire. I'm scared.
Actually, hold on. If you're in the Moose office, you're in Chief Iron's office. That means
Wait.
somebody's banging on the door. Hold on. This is
Yeah,
not
it's
the
a
right-
zombie.
Yeah, this is not the right way. This is not the right way. There's no way for me to get. Oh, I know which way. Oh, I know which way. Cheer. If you would like to follow me, if you want.
Yeah, hold on. I'll be back.
Nikki,
Yeah.
Nikki, you can set this up and play with us. You are welcome to join us. It's oh, whoa, it's gassy in here. Out.
It's so easy.
Yeah.
Cheer could do it.
It's so easy you can do it. Oh snap!
Burn.
No,
It
no,
took
no.
me 6 months to
Hold
make
on.
it.
It's gassy in there, is it? It's gassy.
Yeah, I know, I know.
I'm just going in circles screaming help, like I would in this situation for real.
My character just went like, son of a biscuit!
Son of a biscuit. Biscuits and gravy.
Son of a brisket! Oh man, it's still
So,
gassy.
How do I say?
yeah.
How do I make my
Vlog
character
it.
say your names? There it is.
I'm trying to wait for the gas to pass. The pass gas. Man, this never gets old.
Yeah, you could pass and guess.
Waiting for the
David.
gas to go away.
I'm screaming, David and Kevin, help me.
Yeah, but please.
Wait, how do you...
Hey, why do I hear one of you
Uh,
talking? Is one of you talking
Hey.
to me?
Yeah, you're probably close. Yeah.
Hello?
Oops. Went downstairs.
Hey, go back upstairs. I'm standing right there.
Cheers
Hello,
here, I'm running away. I
Sarah.
don't trust him. Oh, it's poison down here. Dude, we're not gonna beat this scenario.
Whoa, that zombie's fast! Oh my goodness!
Wait,
Whoa,
what are you-
man!
where are you, Vloggy?
Hey, there's Cheer.
Hey, come with me.
Come with me if you
Wanna
want
live?
to live. Come with me if you want to live.
Hey,
Here's what we're gonna do.
Hey,
Hold on.
come.
Give me a sec, guys. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna share my Discord. So if anybody wants to join the Outbreak, not today. I mean, obviously you need to set it up. But Nikki is interested, so I'm gonna share my my
so-
Discord invite peoples. Copy. If anybody wants to join the Discord, can join the Discord anyway. But this is where we make plans to
Hey.
play Outbreak. So that's my
Where'd you
Discord
go?
over there.
oh, I got 5
All right.
rounds.
Are you guys anywhere near the main hall?
Oh,
Yeah,
man.
we're in the offices. We're in the offices.
But that was
Office.
gassy. I wanted to go in there, but it was gassy.
Yeah.
Don't
The
stay in
gas
the
is-
gas.
No, the gas is gone.
Ah, it's gone. Okay, I'm coming.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
we're going to the main hall.
Yeah, come to the main hall. Yeah, come to the main hall. So
Yeah,
yeah,
I brought True with me.
Hold on, I was getting some golfing supplies.
oh, there you are.
Oh my.
True is here. Whoa, look at you, man. Woo! Let's dance. Let's
Wait,
dance.
how do I dance again?
You press back. You walk backwards, then you tap the run button. Yeah, baby. There you go.
Oh, Gangnam Style.
What Gangnam style? Hot dog condom style.
Okay, here you go.
Then I pull a gun on Cheer and say, if you're ever late, and I'll blow your brains out, Cheer. You hear me? You hear me?
Say what?
Oh, nothing. Don't worry.
I like the way you hold your gun, like you take that pose. Do the pose. Do the aiming pose. I want to see it
Oh
again.
yeah, let me.
And say help me, please, as well.
Oh! Freeze!
I love that pose.
Yeah. Hey, wait. Let me see your pose, Vloggy.
My pose is like this, but then he goes.
Yeah,
And
he's
then
got
he
the
goes-
cool guy pose. Your guy has. Oh,
look.
wait.
I will kick you
Yeah.
down.
Whoops.
Your pose is fantastic, Joe.
I can't attack. I just defend myself. I'm like, don't hurt me, please.
Welcome to Discord, Nikki. All right, so you're very welcome to join.
Okay.
We'll share a tutorial with you on how to set it up. It's not easy.
Oh yeah,
I have
by
to
the
say
way,
it's not easy, but it can be done.
there's 45 rounds in the office.
I mean, True's done it like 5 times now.
Yeah, I'm on my 4th remake of setting this up, so I'm quite the expert.
Okay, guys, follow
Yeah.
me. We need to do something. Whoa, zombies! I always get
Fear
the...
not. Oh, not
Yeah.
ammo. Fear a little bit.
Dang it. Ah! There's another zombie coming. Let's go to the main hall, guys.
Don't
This way,
worry,
this
I'm
way, this
here.
way, this way, this way, this way. Follow me.
What's your virus percentage?
Oh,
I'm
I'm
like-
like 35 right now.
Whoa,
I'm
that's a
definitely
lot.
not gonna win.
Yeah, you've been fooling
Yeah.
around way too much.
I'm
I'm on 17. Alright, so this is the
I
main
got
hole, guys.
poisoned
Look
so
around.
bad.
Look around the main hole. There's plenty of
I'm
supplies.
at 96.
There's plenty of supplies.
This look,
Ammo.
oh, this looks
needed.
familiar.
Yeah,
course.
I'm 96%.
It's so weird. It's so weird to see so many people in the main hall in Resident Evil 2. You know, the Resident Evil 2 main hall. So many people in here. It's busy. There's people
What's
at the
this
reception.
unicorn medal for?
Hello, girl.
Yeah, I think
What's
I'm-
up, girl?
yeah.
What's up? Shoot the screen,
I'm gonna
streamer.
dive.
Shoot the screen, streamer. Ooh, I kicked the screen. Yeah, everybody's
I'm gonna
welcome to
steal
join
it.
Discord. Everybody's welcome to join Discord. But that's where we make plans to play Outbreak. Outbreak. Alright, so when you guys ready, supplying yourself, meet me next to the main door, the green door.
Well, I'm gonna get some sweet antivirus because I'm totally gonna die.
Yeah, I need something to get rid of the virus.
Well, nothing gets
I'm
rid of it,
like-
but you can slow it.
Yeah, I'm at 97.
97?
Are you kidding
Yep.
me? You've been ignoring the gas. The gas actually increases your virus. That's why. I think you've been just walking around the gas like...
I didn't know. Yeah, I've been just
Yeah.
running. Yeah,
I
I've
didn't
been
see your percentage shooting up while you're in that gas. That's why I said don't
Let's go.
in there.
Let's go. You're gonna die,
Well, we're definitely gonna have to murder Cheer here in a minute.
Chick. Yes. No, the cure. The cure. True.
Oh,
We
yeah,
don't
we're gonna
murder.
cure
We
them.
give them the cure. Because there's a cure for zombies. You can actually turn them.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
You can
Yeah,
stop
I
them
know.
from being zombies.
We'll take care.
That's a knife over there.
I'm not gonna die that easy.
Okay, guys, this way. Guys, it's not this way. It's obstructed.
Yeah, don't worry about me. I'll be fine.
Alright.
You'll be alright.
Hello,
We'll
zombie.
totally take care
Hello,
of you.
zombie. Hello, zombie.
Hey,
Can I kick
zombie.
him? Yes, we can kick him through the gate. I love this part. I love this part over here.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
we
mod
can
him.
kill Brad.
I'm zombie. I'm gonna mod him.
In Resident Evil 2, this doesn't exist. But here, there's a hole down here. Look, we can go.
Oh,
It's
let's
blocked.
go-
Oh no,
oh,
it's blocked. We
don't
can't go through. It's blocked.
Don't you kill Brad down here?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. What the
So,
hell? That's a battery? I don't know what the battery's for, but... Alright, okay guys, I know the other way around. Let's go. It's a long way around. We have to go. We have to do this. We have to do
this is
this.
the wrong way with you.
Yeah, but because everywhere is locked, we still haven't unlocked anything.
Which little audio button questions your leadership skills? So I see help.
I know, right?
No.
Yeah.
Oh guys, do not shoot the gasoline tanks. We'll save them for emergencies.
Oh really?
I think you shot one.
Please, gasoline. Oh, look. Oh wait, don't leave me. I'm scared.
I just noticed what Jack
yeah.
said. Jack says through here, people are gonna get dropped in 3, 2, 1.
Joke.
Alright, let's take this door. This door over here, guys. This here, over here.
This is where we came from.
Yeah, I know, but we have to go to the basement. It's so
Yeah,
weird.
Hey,
to
that's
hang-
where I was. Why'd you make me run all the way here?
Because you need leadership. You need me to tell you what you need to do.
I need someone to boss me around a little bit.
So you've been in the basement where the cars were parked?
Yeah. What do you mean, Eddie?
Why didn't you push the box then? There's a box you need to push.
I pushed the box. Don't worry about it.
Ah! Okay, watch out for the zombie, guys. There's a zombie. Watch
Out
out.
the way, zombies.
Yeah, just come past him.
This way.
I pushed that box. Fear not.
Right?
Follow the
Good old
leader.
True's a box pusher.
Because I know what needs to be done, and we only accomplished like 1/8. And
Yes.
the 1/8, I did it.
This is not gonna be a successful run.
I love how they
Hey.
remade this hallway.
It's my first time.
Have you been in this room? Has anyone been in this room yet?
Yes, we've
Yeah.
been in that room a lot.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, that's where I met True.
Okay.
That's
Oh,
where I
okay.
was bunkered down.
You
I
are
was playing a
way,
good round of
you are
golf.
way off from the main hall.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh
damn it.
no, gas! Just make a run for it. Make a run for it. Go.
Oh, it's a zombie already.
Give me the cure!
Ah, it's obstructed! It's obstructed in here. This way.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
I
that-
need the cure!
Sure needs a little cure.
it's a zombie apocalypse. Let's go hang out in the autopsy room.
Oh yeah, that's
cure!
a great idea. Nothing's ever gone wrong in the autopsy room.
Oh, there's something here. I found something. Whoa! Help me, please! Help me, please! Help me!
Oh, I'm coming.
Oh, it's
Fear
okay.
not.
I got the emerald plate. Zombies coming out. Help!
Oh, hey you! Stay dead.
We can actually go. We're done here, actually.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Stay alive. I don't care.
Let's go.
Oh,
Let's get out of here. Yeah, somebody. Whoa! What just happened?
That door hit us.
I know. I think it was a very strong zombie.
If
pushing
that
the door.
was Cheer, he's
That
gonna
was
get
Cheer.
cheered so hard
Is
here.
Cheer dead? Is Cheer dead?
Oh yeah, he's dead.
Really? Oh. Whoa. Run. What's going on? Sorry, I went through the door
What do
again.
you got there,
Sorry.
Cheer?
Give him the cure. Give him the cure.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna give him a cure in a second here, but I got a little situation.
Yeah.
I might require the cure very soon as well. Hey,
Oh
Cheer.
no, really? Oh, look at
I'm
you.
not hit.
Come here, come here. Cheer, where are you?
I'm hiding.
No, Cheer, we need to help you. I'm gonna go find our buddy. Cheer, there you are, hey friend.
Give him the cure. Give him the cure.
Cure for you, I got it. For me, have a little extra.
Yes, I'm here as well.
Hey!
Oh yeah.
Yay, Cheer!
Well, hey, I got some ammo for the handgun. You want it?
Oh, he's got, what's that? Recovery medicine base? No, that's you. What's that? Recovery medicine.
Huh? Me?
Yeah, Mark is holding
Oh yeah, I
something.
don't know what this is. It says you can create with a kit, but
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Follow me. Let's go. Let's go.
follow Vloggy.
Yeah.
He's never led us astray.
I know which way. Follow me.
Oh.
This way.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You left me to die.
No. We're gonna fail this scenario, me and True. We're not gonna make this.
Oh
but,
yeah.
But I know what needs to be done. Oh, sorry. I don't want that.
Vlog is evil.
Alright, so we need to push this box over here. Oh, there's a gun over there. I'm not so sure if that's a Magnum. Check it out.
I don't know. I already have like a Magnum and an extra gun.
Really?
What
You have a
guns here.
Magnum? Is that
Well, not a Magnum, but the 45, I mean.
a handgun? Yeah. Magnum's much better though. Alright, so. No, just don't go through. Or
Oh, no? That fat guy's already crawling through.
I know, I see that.
Vlog, you're evil. You should have told us about the gas before.
I told you! I told you to stay away from the gas. I told you what the gas canister does.
Alright,
I know
contact.
what that is.
I
No.
told you.
I mean, before we started the game.
I was gonna
You
explain.
could've
I was
told
gonna
us.
explain, but we were all separated and stuff. No, I was gonna explain. I really was. Sorry.
Uh-huh.
It's
Oh,
alright.
look. We can raise the gate here, I think. Hold on.
Welcome, Darius, to my stream.
I'm going to push it now. Okay.
Uh,
Are you back?
Where'd you go? I hear you.
Oh, there you are. Let's go this way.
There.
I need you to pick up something for me because I'm full. I'm assuming there should be one here because the key items are randomly scattered around the police station. So, oh no! Make a run for it! Make a run for it!
Definitely not gonna make this.
Oh! Keep running! Keep running! Keep running! Keep running! Keep running! Keep running! Keep running!
Oh, wait, I need to...
This is Ben's cell.
And is the gas gonna stop somehow magically going through those bars?
What? Yeah, I know, right? I know, right? Oh, there's people in the cell.
Oh, hey criminals.
Hey, criminals. Hey, convicts.
Hey scumbags, die. Oh, I was trying to execute them. They probably deserved it. Oh, hey, what's up, guys?
He's saying he dropped something somewhere around the police station. What is he saying? It's
I must have shot something.
What did he drop? What are we looking for?
Yeah, what do you?
What is he saying? I must have dropped it somewhere in the police station. Okay, but we don't know what it is.
Thanks, Ben. I'm gonna put
Thanks,
a bullet through
Ben.
your stupid head.
Thanks, Ben. Can I kick the convicts?
I tried shooting the convicts. They didn't seem to mind.
You guys are safe there. You should stay there. Don't try to escape. Let's go.
I'm just gonna heal up because I'm totally gonna die anyway.
So basically what we're looking for is these little... Oh no, it's still gassy in here.
Oh, true. I might need some cure here in a minute.
If you guys fail... Oh, it's fragile. There's no time.
Yeah, that's okay.
Hey, my like. Oh, that's weird. That's so weird. My poison isn't going up. It's like frozen.
That's good. That's good. You mean the virus?
Yeah, the virus it just stopped going up. Maybe I'm immune.
If you die, I'm restarting this scenario.
Hey, this officer followed us.
Let's go this way. Let's go this way. All right, this way. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way.
I'm gonna follow the butt.
Follow the butt. Smell my butt. Smell
Oh,
it. Smell it.
oh, what did you eat?
Cheese. Queso.
Oh, cheese and beans.
Cheese and beans. Alright.
Queso and frijoles.
You see the item that I'm holding that's called Emerald Plate? Do you see it?
No. Yes.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for like 6 of them or something.
Oh, that's annoying.
Oh, yeah, we need to place them in the fountain where we put the disc in our
Where some jerk has put a puzzle that shouldn't exist.
Exactly. Alright, so I'm gonna place it there. Hold on. We only got 2. That's very bad. We only got 2.
Oh, no, my poison's going back up.
Alright, so we got 2. Probably need another 3 or something. So which way now? Where do we go next? Okay, I know another place. Alright, I know another one where it could be. I know a place where it could be. Let's go.
Help me!
Help me!
Oh, yes.
Alright, so this way. We need to find these. I don't think we're gonna find them on time though.
No, we're definitely not.
Run. But at least we're getting acquainted with the areas like...
Yes.
Hey, hold on, the password for the safe. Is it 2236? It's still 2236. It just says I don't know the combination. Nice game. GG.
Nice try.
Alright, let's go up here.
Yeah, I think it says 2236.
Well,
It should be 2236. Yeah. I went the stairwell. Emergency stairwell.
Emergency stairwell.
Oh no, crows! You know where the crows were? There was a guy shooting crows. You know where?
On the roof?
Yeah, we're going up.
Yeah,
We're going up.
yeah, the emergency stairs.
Hold on, I went the exact opposite.
Haha, that's so cool. I just kicked the zombie. You can't.
Thanks for the sub, Dallas.
Are you an emergency service car?
Emergency stairway or something? Yeah, I'm coming back.
Yeah, I got it.
You got
I
it?
got it.
Okay. Just kicking a zombie. Just enjoy.
Okay. Hey, officer, thanks for not helping.
He's just aiming at the door. Nobody's gonna
Yeah.
shoot this door. Alright, let's go.
Hey, you.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I'm having a little mini heart attack. I'm old and fat.
Watch out for the zombie.
I'm gonna skip this guy.
Me too. He's like,
Oh, my midi-chlorians are getting pretty high here.
So, it's this way? Straight.
Oh, interesting.
Okay. I don't think we're gonna make it. It's not a thing.
Yeah.
I know for sure we're not gonna make it, but at least we know
We're absolutely not gonna make it.
this way. You see, now there's something on the... Oh no, we need the combination, I think, for the safe as well. Do not push
Hey,
it.
I pushed this thing before.
Don't push it, no.
I'll
There's
push
a
it when
safe.
you want it.
There's an A written
Come
on
on,
it.
sucker.
There's a safe. There's an A written on it. Oh man. In that safe, there's one of them. I don't know what we need to do.
Well, I have no idea what you guys are doing.
We're trying to find... There's something in that. What are we gonna do? Oh, look at him. Look at this, I'm glitching. Can you see that?
Oh yeah.
Try it.
Weird. I did. It shows me glitching, but it doesn't show you glitching. So on my screen, I'm probably
Okay.
not glitching.
Alright, okay.
Where we
So,
go?
okay, there's nothing here. We need to find a password for that safe. I don't know. Let's go this way. Man. Okay. We only found 2. Where are the rest? Let's go this way. Oh, there's a zombie. Careful. Around the corner.
I fear no zombie, for I am basically. Hey, zombie cop.
Why are you barking?
I'm on caution, actually. Careful. Now we're gonna be on the roof. Hey, Toby and Martin Milk. How are you? Long time
Hey,
no.
Martin.
Long time no outbreak. Martin.
What up, guys?
Hey, Martin, welcome.
So, watch out. Zombie right behind you. Careful. Zombie right
Lady. Oh, I ammo. Not good.
Antivirus. You should probably
Hey,
take it,
zombie
actually.
cop, how about you help us out here?
What is this? Oh, man.
What is this?
What is... Oh, okay, good. What's this here? Where's There's a door here.
Yeah.
It says it's chained up. I need to unlock it. What the heck? And there's definitely a key item behind this door. Oh man.
Oh, awesome.
What are we gonna do?
It's over here.
There's nothing in here either. Ooh, to the fire. Which is weird
Let's
because
go
there
down
was...
here. This looks safe. Vloggy, take a quick look-see down there.
Is it buffering, guys? Is it buffering? Is it okay now?
A little bit. Yes.
Should be okay. Hold on, let me just check real quick. Seems to be okay.
Oh man.
Hello, Dallas Martinez. I don't know which pieces we have. I have no idea. I've never played this level before.
Well, I have, but I never completed it. I know what we need to do. I saw Lord Rage play this, but I always try to watch the stream without paying attention to what he's doing so I don't spoil it. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
I've watched Albert Wesker play Code Veronica many times, but I never paid attention, so I still don't know how to beat the
Yeah,
game.
exactly. Beating that game is still extreme headache.
Okay, so...
Oh,
What the hell? Did you just fall?
that was hilarious.
Were you blocking the door trying to get me killed out there? You gonna pay, sucker?
Maybe. What's with your shoes? Hold on, what's with your shoes?
They're my golfing shoes.
Look at those. Classy.
They're also my
stylish.
cool fan shoes. Free.
Stylish. Alright, so... I have no idea where to go next. Maybe this way? I don't know where to go next. Oh, I have another place where we can go. That we haven't
wait,
visited.
can we go to the stars office?
Where? Stars office? No, watch out for the zombie.
Hey, zombie friend. Go back to
Honestly,
this.
that's the back to the future. Back to the future picture.
Where do we go?
Man, I was trying to kill this zombie for no reason, and he totally attacked me.
You suck. You noob.
Hey,
It's true.
guy
Yeah,
who
what?
didn't even log into the game. Don't tell me who's the noob.
Are you dead? Where are you?
I'm alive.
I did that on purpose because I didn't want anyone to see my password on
think.
stream.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Totally believe you.
He just said something about the dust. Like the dust is getting inside. What are you talking about?
Don't give
Who,
up.
me? What?
My character just said the dust is getting
Let's
inside.
go.
The dust is getting
Don't
inside?
give up now.
Yeah.
Let's go. Go.
So,
Don't give up now.
let's go. Let's get out of here.
Good job, random cop outside.
Julian, welcome. Julian in the house. All right, I know another place where I haven't been yet.
Dallas, this is on easy.
Hold on, there's a file here. What is this? It's a memo on the desk. It says Marvin's memo. Police station was originally used in a museum. Let's go. Made
What should I do now?
Nothing of interest. Alright, let's go this way. Whoa, zombie! My gun is empty!
bro.
My gun is empty! Help me, please!
Ah! Oh, Mark to the rescue here. You need drowns? Yes?
No, I'm fine. I don't know what's going on.
Killing business lady.
Let's go.
Whoops.
Someone's coming. Let's go. Someone's coming.
Oh!
There's a timer.
You got knocked back.
I'm surprised we're not dead yet. This
I'm
way.
very close to needing a cure.
This way.
Oh, you want to stop the vending machine? Yes, that's what my character wants to do.
Yummy.
Snickers.
Mountain Dew.
Yeah, got cheese in there. Take one of them.
Alright, maybe this way? Watch out, there might be zombies here. Oh, stay away from the windows, by the way. Stay away from the windows, they'll pull you right away.
Yeah, right. That does not happen. That is not a thing. You're lying.
Tightly locked. Oh, hang on. I found something. I found something here. Hold on. There's a round indentation. Oh no! No, you didn't.
What, he
True. True, where are you, True? I don't see you.
Can you check the windows, please?
True, where are you?
Oh, he's dead.
True, hello. True,
Keep looking, I'm there.
True, hello. It's too dark. It's getting dark outside.
It's getting dark outside. It's getting pretty dead outside.
I told you to stay away from.
No, I was literally at 100% about to turn, so I just decided to go for a little ride.
Slow ride.
Objective, find true. Yes.
Good one.
Mickey, start looking. I'm somewhere. Help me.
Oh man.
Okay.
Help me. What's this? What is this? What is this? Hold on.
I'll go ahead and blame Fear.
Oh,
for
I
that
found
run.
another plate now. I just found another plate. All right. So I'm memorizing where the plates are.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's
start again. Let's start this again. Okay. Let's start this again, and we meet all in the main hall. Can we do that? Can you guys do that for me, please?
Dallas, it's okay. You don't have to tell us where the pieces are. We're just having fun exploring.
Yeah, I'll do my best.
Uh,
Yeah, and I'm gonna clear away from the poison.
so who did the best? Hold on. 16%. Well, I did the best because I didn't die. Actually, I got 40
Oh, how do you
points.
know what you did?
At the end, it says. At the end, you get like a result screen. It says mark.
Oh, I always ignored those.
Oh yeah.
Exit. Exit.
All right, I'm at the
Um,
room screen again.
All right, so we go into free mode. Does anybody want to create the room for me? I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
Yeah, I'll make it.
Hold on.
Yeah. Mech one true.
Hold on a second. I'll be right back.
Hold on. Yeah.
Whoa!
I need to take some clothes off.
Alright, you don't have to tell us you're taking your clothes off, but alright.
Actually, yeah. I had to.
Alright, I believe you.
Yeah, pretty much better now.
Wait, which level was that?
What?
What level was that? Desperate Times?
I think so, yes. For the police station. I think
Yeah.
so.
I don't know. I made it. You'll be able to guess what my room is when you see it.
So, oh god. So what's the password?
Amy again.
Lowercase, right?
Yeah, lowercase, yeah.
So what's the difference between A, B, and C?
Oh, the characters? I think just the costume. I'm trying C this time for my character.
Yeah. I never tried to see the other names and the costume. So I'm gonna go with David B.
David B.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna hate him. Yeah.
Alright, Dallas, I appreciate it. Yeah, we're just having fun, you know. I appreciate the help, though.
You know what? I'm gonna do it.
You can do what?
Yes.
Alright. Sounds suspicious.
What is that?
Well, yeah, what is that?
Hello, it's me, Amy.
Amy, you're back!
God bless the Queen and Bosco.
That was a horrible expression.
Clearly Amy.
Alright.
Amy joined us on Discord again, guys. Don't worry about it.
Alright, so cheer fail, desperate times.
Amy is the pass again.
So, what's the password? Or no password? Is there a password?
I just... Dang it, Vloggy. Amy's
Yeah.
the password again.
Sorry?
Amy! Amy's the password!
Oh, it's the password! Oh man, that's so stupid.
That's not good.
I'm
What
so
if you did?
stupid. The room is locked by a password? I'm coming in. We'll use
Oh,
the
my
password.
mic, the clip on my mic.
What?
is broken.
I was gonna ask.
Start the game.
What difficulty did you put it? I hope it's easy.
Let's not worry about that sort of thing. I don't even know if I got the right level. Is Desperate Times the level we want?
Desperate times, yes, that's right.
Okay.
Did you go on easy? I hope it's easy.
Yeah, no one throw. I think we made like that very hard.
Are you trolling?
Let's
Skip the cutscene now. We can skip the cutscene. It's fine.
Hey, so can you guys hear me?
We can hear you loud and clear.
Take a look at this.
Okay.
It's a map of this place
Because
back when it
the
was
clip on my
Maltese.
mic is broken right now, so I cannot.
There should be a
hang it
ventilation
around.
tunnel in the ground.
And that'll get us out of
Oh,
here?
Sherry. We can
It
skip
should,
the cutscene,
Hey,
guys,
but
if you
it's so
want.
narrow.
I'm
You might
trying
be the only
to.
one who
Somebody's
can
not
fit through.
clicking.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
There we
My
go.
bad. I was just mining Sherry.
Alright. So, is this on hard? What did you do? Or very hard?
Oh god.
Did you do it
Hey,
infinite
hold
ammo?
on.
I'm like a general. Oh, you better back up off me.
I had this costume.
Alright, Alright, so who's in the main hall?
I'm in the main hall.
Alright, can you unlock the door for me, please? The one up the stairs, basically. The one when you
I
go
mean,
to
I could.
Please, 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 please. Let's all meet up in the main hall. Please.
Alright.
I'm right behind the door, please.
Alright. I think this is the door.
I didn't know what I am.
Oh, I came
unlocked
through.
it.
Okay, I'm coming. Alright, so where's Cheer?
Back up
Cheer.
because General
hold on.
Mark is here.
General Mark.
General Mark says back up or you die, you zombie scum.
I'm in the second floor. hallway.
Come to the main hall. Come to the main hall.
Yeah, I'm going downstairs. I'm in the emergency stairwell.
Let's gather some supplies.
Yeah, let me get some herbage over here. This is very echoey. This whole hall.
That's how I like it. Echoey. Alright, so
I look kind of weird in this costume.
I'm gonna look for another gun because this gun is ass.
You're 45?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Well, it sucks because there's no ammo.
Hey,
Exactly.
I got it. Welcome, buddy. How you doing?
So I'm gonna put this gun there. There we go.
Oh! Hey, there's a cop manning the lobby here. Could you tell me where the,
I'm gonna hang out with Sherry, with the Sherry cop. Hey, Sherry.
Hey, Sherry Cap.
Wait, so, how did I get back to the main house?
Where are you? I can describe.
I'm in the office. Oh, wait, I unlocked the door. I don't know what it is. I'm in the first floor east hallway.
First floor hallway.
Yeah, next to the offices.
Okay, just take the last door at the last. I know.
Yeah, I'm in the east office now.
I'm coming for you. Stay in the main hall, in the hallway.
So, should I go through the double door?
Are you in the first floor lobby?
Yeah, I'm in the east office.
Alright, I'm coming. Stay there.
And don't run in the friggin' poison.
Okay.
Yeah, don't walk around in the poison.
Yeah, I'm in the first floor lobby.
Alright, where are you? I'm looking here. Where?
I'm wandering off.
Wait. Oh, I'm in the main hallway.
Hey.
Alright, you're in the main hallway. I came looking for you.
I thought the door was locked. It wasn't.
Alright, so. Gather some supplies. What's going on?
Oh, that's creepy. There's like a liquor crawling up the side of the building. That's not
Freaked
good.
you out!
Oh my gosh.
Good one.
Wait, is this for the what?
Alright, so, if anybody wants to hang out with me, I know what we need to do, pretty much, I think.
Oh, I have the combination to the safe.
Oh, nice! So you know where to go with it? Do you know where to go?
Well, I don't know where to go, but I have the combination. I have the combination of both safes, actually.
Oh, nice. Okay, so come hang out with us in the main hall, so that we can all.
Now you wanna be friends with me now that I know that I have codes for you.
Yes.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes. Yeah, come on.
What's it? No.
Come
Hey,
on.
hey, rich friend. Let's
Nope.
be friends.
Nikki, that was
Oh.
true. Nikki, that was true. True
What?
screams like a girl.
Hey. Not me. That was not me, Nikki. That was clearly Amy. Oh no! Crikey!
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 She's not Australian. Crikey. Are you
Oh,
coming?
crikey!
My
I
God.
gotta put in this. Dude, can you like not block the door, you jerk? I know you're blocking. I know you're blocking.
Come in.
Such a jerk move. It's all it's blocked by something like what? He's jerk.
All right.
Whoa, who's this? Who's this suited scumbag right here? Sure looks like a dirtbag.
All right.
Weird in that costume. Bro.
All right. Follow me. I know where you need to go. Come on. Follow me.
Follow me.
Follow me. We know where you need to go.
Going up Vloggy's. Following Vloggy.
Now somebody needs to push the box from the other end, so you might want to stay on one side while I do the other thing. So.
Well, where do we do to do this?
I'm
Well,
gonna kick you.
Oh man, that's just me doing my impression of Amy. She's not here, guys.
Is that you, God? Is that you, God? Who is this
Jesus.
voice?
Jesus, take the wheel.
Oh, that was funny.
Hey, Amy's a good troller.
Yeah, she
Pops
is.
in and out like a ninja.
All right, so. Oh, okay. All right, so Drew, come over here.
I'm over here.
Can you see that thing up there that we can't reach?
A broken locker. Nothing useful.
All right,
Yes, I see it.
I'm gonna go push the chest from the other end, okay?
All right.
So I'll be right
Wait,
back.
wait. Where are you guys?
You lost
Don't
us.
worry about it, Cheer.
Don't worry about
You
it.
just-
We have everything
You
under
be a
control.
scumbag over there in your scumbag suit.
All right, hold on.
Yeah, I'm in.
Hey, get out of here,
No
you
way.
dirtbag. This
Oh.
is for soldiers.
I have to take the long way around, all right, to get to the other end. So
All
bear
right.
with me. Hang on. Hang on.
Okay. True, I'm
Here.
gonna mod you.
Go,
Is it
chest.
awesome?
Go,
Is it awesome? True, I'm gonna mod you. Is it on?
What did you just throw something at me?
Yeah, he can
Yeah.
throw like 5 wrenches and that's it.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Are you a plumber or something?
He is actually. He is a plumber. Yeah,
Oh,
he is a plumber.
how stereotypical that you just carry wrenches around with you. As a
Didn't you
plumber.
do? I told you to read the character bios before we start the game, so you familiarize
Yeah.
yourself. Didn't you do
Oh, yeah,
orientation?
read.
I told you in
Oh, yeah.
orientation.
I totally
Hey.
read those. I totally
I can
did.
actually, I can fix weapons too.
Yeah, he can create weapons. Actually, he can also create weapons. If you find
Oh.
with a pipe and a battery, you can create like a lightning rod or something.
Yeah,
Wow.
stun ball.
Yeah,
Nice.
stun
Do
rod.
you
Yeah.
know that my character can be really slow and short of breath? That's a skill.
And say, "Help me, please, please
Oh,
help
hey,
me."
I didn't
I
say
have
this
an
game, though.
eye.
I can't
Hey.
even sit down.
Check this out. I have a knife.
Hang on, I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
I'm gonna have to blow. I'm gonna have to cure Cheer prematurely if you don't get here. So he's gonna get cured real fast to the face.
Well, I have a rocket knife. It's a special item.
Don't
like
scare me. I'm a general.
All right,
Really?
almost there,
Really?
almost there, guys. Bear with me.
General Mark.
One last door, and I'm gonna be there. One last door.
Yeah, I'm
Last
just
door.
gonna.
You should hear a door opening. Oh, my ding ding dong.
Whoa, who said that?
All right, so True. I'm gonna go quickly up on this thing. Bear with. Come on, get up
Do you
there.
need a combination?
Can you push? Can you push the box all the way here? Can you try to push the box all the way here? 'Cause I
I
think.
don't think so. Oh, yeah, I
Oh,
can actually.
there you go. Hold on.
Oh.
So I'm gonna get on the box. No. That's all. As far as it goes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go here.
Stay there. Don't go away. Don't go away.
Yeah,
'cause-
I'm just gonna.
I cannot open the safe still. It says.
I'm gonna stay here and
I
do as
have
well.
to, probably because I have the codes officially.
Really?
Well, I mean, I know the combination, so that's probably why it's not letting you do it.
Get out of the way. I'm trying to push the box.
I'm not in the way. Don't
Yeah,
call me
I
fat.
think you are. There you go. Okay, get on the box and grab the item from up there.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here and be
Okay.
useful.
Yeah, super useful. Always
And
useful,
then,
sure.
once you grab the thing from up there, I need you to push the box back, all the way back, again.
I'll think about it.
Oh, come on, man.
Ruby,
Come on.
please.
Be a sport.
Be a sport. Alright. I
Alright.
got.
That goes in the fountain.
Wait, it's still. Oh, it's still sparkling. It's yeah.
You know what we should do, actually? I'm gonna meet you halfway. Go back to the main, the main hall. I'm gonna come get you, alright?
Well, we gotta push this back, right?
Yeah, push it back, and then meet me in the main hall. Well, upstairs, really. Alright, I'm coming. Meet me in the main hall. I'm coming. It's a long way around, my goodness. I hate that.
Well, this guy Dallas Martinez in my chat knows like everything about this game apparently. You're quite knowledgeable there, Dallas.
Alright, I'm coming.
Okay, I'm gonna head to the ladder. Hold on, I'm a little out of shape. Oh, there's Cheer. I'm gonna cure him in a second.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill you. Sorry.
No. Only I know the cure.
Alright, once you're in the main hall, you can just go ahead and place the plate that you found, so you can get rid of an item slot.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Actually, if you give me a sec, I'm also gonna go grab one plate. I know where one of them is.
Alright, so where do I go now to get to where you were?
Go through the door with the stairwell, like the staircase. The door next to the
by the main door?
Yeah, next to the main door. Next to the main door.
Alright.
The single door. And you can just wait for me there. I'm gonna be there very soon. Hold on. I'm coming up.
Hey, stupid zombie girl! Stuff off, mate. General
What is
Mark
that?
here!
What's that? That's not a key item. That's a first aid spray. That's not what I'm looking for.
Wow,
A magnum gun. Whoa, okay, now we're talking.
like, are you failing over there?
I did actually, yes. I thought it was going to be a key item or a bunch. Nope. Alright, so you went through the door I told you, yes?
Yes,
I'm
but
coming.
then I panicked because you didn't tell me anything else.
No, that's
and
fine.
I ran away.
No, stay there. I'm coming. Oh, there you are. There you are.
Hey.
Yeah, you have to go back. Actually, you know what? While we're here, let's go here. Real quick. Please don't go too close to the windows. Please. Whoa! Zombie!
Yeah, I'm gonna say in Colin and Clyde.
Yeah, there you go. That's a strategy I like.
Wait, what is that?
Hang on a sec, I need to answer the phone real quick. Be right back. Hold on.
Alright.
Phone's ringing.
Oh, it's poison, Vloggy! Don't stay in that room. Don't stay in that room. Oh my god, he goes to answer his phone while his character just dies instantly. Oh no, there's like multiple zombies here. And Vloggy's AFK. That's Vloggy, kill me.
Looks like that's the room.
I hear a lot of
You guys just saved my life, did you? Sorry, I was answering my phone. So,
yeah, I
sorry
did.
about that. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna heal up because.
So what should I do?
So where are you?
Main hall.
We have to go here.
Yeah, I'm in the main hall, waiting for the.
Is it still poison?
Why are you not following us, Cheer?
Well,
Damn
waiting for the
it!
instructions.
Sorry, we need to go through that room. We need to go through that door, but we need to...
Hey, Melina, welcome.
Welcome!
Super poison
doing?
here.
Yeah.
She's a super freak. Super freak. Super freak. She's a super freak. Super freak.
Okay, so
Ah! Oops, not what I wanted to do.
She's a super freak. Super freak.
wait.
Cheer! Get your ass
Dude,
over here. Get
What
over here.
shenanigans are you up to?
I don't know what's happened. I went to the.
Say 007?
I got knocked out.
Do you think?
Uh-oh.
Do you think it's clear now?
What
Do
is-
you think the coast is clear?
Have a look see.
There's an invisible. Is there any invisible enemies here?
No. Oh, the room is clear. We're fine. We're good now.
No, because I got knocked out by something.
No, shouldn't be. Oh, I found another plate. Nice. Nice, I found another plate.
Yeah.
Let's just check what's over here real quick.
Yes, let's do that. Hey.
Yeah, I'm in the hallway right now.
Oh wow, I have a lot of hand
There is something here.
We're coming to the hallway real soon. We're coming to the hallway real soon.
Oh.
Oh, there's a shotgun here.
Hey.
Come get it. Come take the shotgun, because I have a magnum already, so I don't really need it.
Alright.
Shut up, Amy! Shut up, Amy!
What was? Damn it, Amy.
That's just true.
Amy's trolling us so hard right
Yes,
now.
she is.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah.
Your
All
nice
right,
fault.
let's go back. We're done here. All right, we're gonna go back to the main hall
Okay.
to meet
Hey,
to meet up with
What's
Cheer.
wrong? The main hall is what are you called again?
We're coming to the main hall so we can meet with you.
I don't know. What are you trying to talk
No,
about?
no, no. The
Oh, it's Gussie! Get out of here! No, 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 it's Gussie! And it wasn't me. It wasn't me this time. It
Yeah.
wasn't me this time. I swear it.
It wasn't me.
even
Okay, we're gonna have to.
the
You're
hall
gonna
was
pack your cars with you.
hey, the hall was Gazi too.
Yeah, we're trapped here. We're not gonna run through it. That's your strategy that got you cured real fast.
I'm just gonna go
Hey.
ahead. I'm gonna get comfortable and take my pants off since we're here for a while.
Oh, there you go. There you go. I'll take my general pants off.
I'm just gonna hang
Yeah,
here on the
I've
floor.
already done that. I've already done that.
I'm gonna interrogate you from this side. Tell me what you know, scumbag. Tell me now.
I know nothing! I know nothing! I'm gonna dance for you!
Oh, hey, where did you learn those dance moves? Tell me now. You tell me who taught you how to
It's a
dance like
secret.
that. Oh! Whoa!
What's going on?
Oh, we got somebody's trying to break in here.
Oh no!
Fear not, General Mark Pudgy Pants.
Sooner or
is
later
block the door.
Sooner or later he's gonna come in. And when that happens...
No, he's not. I'm super strong.
Oh, he probably. I have faith in you. Can I
Yep,
push the
I'm
door as
so
well with you?
You'd
No.
think they'd let you do that as like a teamwork thing, but
No, they don't.
no. They don't.
Okay, where are you guys now?
We're in Poison Land with zombies trying to break in. Goodness, yes. Kick the door.
Come to the
I managed to open. I helped the zombie come in.
You totally kicked that door open for him.
Oh, it's still gassy. Oh, it just cleared.
Oh.
It just cleared. It just cleared the second. You can come.
Just cleared?
Yeah, it just
Nice.
cleared the second.
Okay.
Where are you? Here, please.
me?
Come on. No, sure.
Yeah, I got you, Dallas.
We're coming to the main hall now. Careful of the windows. Careful of the windows.
Oh, windows schmindows.
They're windows.
I ain't
aren't
afraid of no windows. How did they pull me through a window with metal bars on it? Did they rip me through the bars?
You see, you keep calling your character fat. He went through the bars, actually.
Oh, man, I'm so
You
skinny.
need to give your character a break.
Ow, right in the penis. Oh, man. That was
I'm coming. We're coming to the main hall.
What are you doing?
We're coming. We're coming. We're coming.
Don't worry about what's happening over here.
Man. Okay. Alright, we're back. I'm gonna place the plate real quick.
Okay, we're back.
And now, alright, where are you, Cheer? You're not in the main hall.
What do you mean? I'm in the main hall.
Really? We don't see you. Where are you? Where
Cheers perving out on some
He's
website on
trolling
the
us.
computer.
He's trolling us. Where are you? We don't see you.
No, I'm in the main hall. Right there. Just
Which
there.
main hall? By main hall, do you mean
I see
liar
Caution.
hall?
I see David Caution, but I don't see you.
I'm near the main gate. Over the stairs.
Main-
There.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. There you are. We see him. Yes. Alright, follow us. Follow me. Follow me. I know where we need to go.
Follow me.
Since TRU knows the passwords, we're gonna have to take him to. We're gonna have to escort him to. The
General
passwords.
Mark knows where we're going.
Yeah,
Back
baby.
off.
Are we gonna finish this? Come on, man.
Yeah, I think we can. Because I have two first aid.
I found 2 plates so far. Thanks to me.
Yeah.
Alright, this way, this door, this door, this door.
Thanks to me.
But I'm gonna need some
Humble
ammo.
as always.
Well, I need some ammo because I only have like 5 rounds.
Alright, so there's a safe
Wait.
here. There's a combination safe here thingy. See if you can open it.
Oh, good thing that I'm a guy who knows how to open safes.
Okay, this is it. This
I'm
is
the
it.
master
Can
of
you open
lock.
it? Really? Do it.
Yes, I can, but I don't know which combination. Let me look it up.
Oh, come on, man.
Oh, go fight that zombie. Is
Wait.
this the STARS office or this is the
This
East
is
office?
this is the east office, yes.
Okay.
Oh, really? There's 45 rounds here. Do you want them?
What are the rounds?
45.
No, I don't need those. What you doing, sucker? You said you're the master of unlocking.
You gave me the wrong room.
No, this is the east. This is the east office.
You're the East office.
You're the East office.
Why aren't these combinations working?
Alright, okay, I know
56.
another safe. Let's go look, check out another safe. Maybe... I know where there's
I
another
have 2
safe.
combinations. I'll try them both. Let me cheat. 56,
Okay.
32. I'm not crazy.
There's a zombie.
You suck at numbers.
Combination fail.
Alright.
Let's try the other. Let's try the 57, 5170. If that doesn't work, then this memo just says a liar memo. 5170. Hey, you did give me the wrong. You did give me the wrong one.
This is the East office. This is called the East office. I don't know.
No, it literally isn't that.
Maybe the
it is.
translation, I don't know. But this is the East office.
I'll grab it.
Alright, so grab that. Okay. Let's go put it back
got
so we get rid of an item slot. We're going back to the main hall. Main hall. Go, go.
Not back to reality. Oh, there goes Rabbity. Oh,
Thanks.
there goes Rabbity.
Listen to that rapping skills. I'm a lead singer in my band, I get all the girls to take off their underpants. I'm a lead singer, my salsa makes all the pretty girls want to dance my salsa.
That's my salsa.
Look out for my next single, it's called My Salsa. My salsa makes all the pretty girls want to dance and take off their underpants. My salsa makes...
I love that song.
And then the stream goes to 0 viewers. Where'd everybody go?
Yeah.
Where'd everybody go?
Hey.
Okay,
There we go.
put the plate thing over there, come on. So
Hey, I know what I'm doing here. I'm gonna.
So here's the stats so far. Vloggy found 2, Cheer found 0, and TRU
0.
found 1.
Technically, I found 2 because I put 2 in. Maybe you found it, but I put 2 in. So that's
All right, we're going back. We're going back here. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, where's the other safe that you lied and it's actually the other place?
Yes, we're gonna go back to the. Exactly. We're gonna go find.
Oh yeah, wait. I forgot something.
What did you forget?
Yeah, you guys go ahead. I'll meet it later.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, nothing could possibly go wrong in that scenario. You head off on your own.
No.
Let's go.
You'll be alright, I believe in you.
This way.
No, I forgot something.
This game isn't called Cheer Fail or anything like that.
Oh man.
Let's go this way.
And everybody's quiet in your chat while you listen to that.
Hey!
That's
Wake
it.
up!
Wake up, chat!
Wake up, chat. You probably scared them off with your singing.
Hey, they're just jealous of what it was.
There's a lot of zombies
We
coming
have to
in.
go with this.
You know why, Vloggy? Because they're all jealous because I'm like the lead singer of the band.
I'm a lead singer of my band, my girls.
Yeah, I'll forget about that.
These
But
chicks
they're all
don't even
gassy.
know the name of my band. But
Yeah,
they're
maybe
all on me like they wanna hold hands. Oh no, it's poison! It's poison! Ouch!
Oh, you've led me into poison gases.
How would I know?
General Mark does not appreciate that. Don't the doors
Actually,
like have little glowies?
Does anybody have a gas canister or something? Maybe we can pick one up from somewhere.
I had one of those all game. You said those are for stupid noobs, so I was like, okay, fine.
Well, I mean, if you're not... Let me see if there's...
Yeah.
Let me see if there's... Oh, there's another zombie, careful.
I'm gonna be carefully blowing her head off. I'm saying?
Go!
You know.
Let me see if there's anything here. Help me! Please help me!
So, wait, you went to the staircase, right? Stairwell?
Yes, that's right, yes. Jazz, welcome!
Hey, guys.
The song is for you. Welcome!
Dallas, there's 2 other people here that are streaming, so their chats have people in it.
That's
You're the only one in my chat, though.
Alright, I'm coming back.
Dallas is
Well, I have Karen and Merlin in my stream.
Who?
Karen and Marlena.
Karen and Marlena.
Karen!
Yeah, Karen.
Alright, where are you,
Karen and
True?
Marlena, you didn't.
Alright, this way.
Oh, wait.
True went this way, I think.
Oh, still poison, still poison.
Still poisoned?
Yeah.
Ah, I went through. I'm coming out.
Wait. I saw a guy.
One second.
Yeah.
Bear back.
Come on.
Actually, I picked up a canister. I don't know why I didn't place it. I just left the room again. I actually had a canister. Hold on, I'm coming out. I'm coming back again.
Hey.
Hi to your mate log. Yes, there's actually 2 mates actually. There's True and there's Cheer. Say hello, True.
Hey,
And say hello, cheer. Alright, so, True, where are you, True?
Oh, I'm being attacked.
We need your unlocking combination skills.
Hold on, I'm being attacked. I'm hurted.
You need help? Need to help you? Oh, there you are.
No!
There you are.
I'm all hurted. Let me
Don't
heal
push
up
the
here.
box. Don't push the box. Don't push the box, okay?
Yeah.
Because we get ruined.
Just searching out.
Where?
Yeah.
Go through this
Yeah,
door
they're
over here. Hello. And go up there. Go up.
Wait.
Do not push the box.
No!
No!
Ah.
You would have given me the long way around again. Alright, so go up there. See if you can open that safe. If you can open that safe, I would
Check
love
this
you forever.
combination.
So wait, what's the
Oh
shiny
no,
thing?
this one I won't let me. There's an A written on it.
Exactly. I thought nothing.
This is not one of the 2 combinations I have, I guess.
Okay, I guess not. So how many plates are we missing anyway?
Oh, you said there's 8? Is that what you said?
No, I said how many plates? No, I said 1.
Wait, what's
I said 8
what's that on
earlier.
the other side? There's a shiny thing on the other side.
No, but yeah,
That's
we
a
got
plate,
that.
but we already got it.
We already got that, yeah.
There's something shiny outside.
Yeah, we got that. There's a handgun here. I don't know if anybody wants it.
I don't know.
Hold on.
Oh, no.
Is there anything we can do here? Oh, it's obstructed.
Wait. Oh. They're gonna. That one is empty.
Yeah, everything's obstructed here. There's nothing. Alright, let's go. Wanna go to the basement, perhaps? Maybe there's something in the basement? I don't know.
Everything is fun in the basement.
Everything's fun in the basement. The best ideas in a zombie apocalypse is to go in the basement. Vloggy.
Oh, poison!
Hold on. This way.
You're gonna take it? You're gonna get so poisoned!
Vloggy, you want me to hop on? We would love for you to hop on, but I'm actually have to head out after this round, so I can't stay.
Yeah.
After this round, I
that's all
have to head out. So next time, make sure you join us, Martin, because we're lost. Ooh, zombie!
Did you just run through the poison? How poisoned are you?
Come on, zombie, get out of my way!
Hang out here till it's not poison anymore.
We just went through the. We went.
Oh,
went
I
past
just placed a canister there.
We sprinted through the poison. Actually, it's not poison. It's nerve gas.
Oh no! I actually placed a canister there.
I placed the canister. Okay, you can go.
Oh yeah, you should join us, Jazz. It's really fun.
I played Outbreak 1 month ago, but you can play with us, but it's not easy to set it up. But you can do it, and you can join us if you want.
Hey,
Alright, I am in the hall. Where did you guys go? There you are. Nope, that's the zombie cop. where are you guys?
In the stairway. The stairway.
Nope,
Yeah.
that's another zombie. Oh, what a jerk!
You need me to come pick you up?
Well, I don't know. If I went through this door, if this is the
Quit
right door,
screwing
then
around.
no. If it's the wrong door, then
Alright.
yes.
Please open.
Yeah.
Please open the door.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
on the roof.
By the way, it's true. I need something from you.
We gotta come get
You
you.
need something from me.
Yeah.
What do you need from me?
Handgun ammo.
Nah. I think I'm gonna keep all of it. In case I have to cure you.
Nah.
Hey, you don't have many handguns.
True. Where are you?
I have a ton of handgun ammo.
Oh, there you are.
Those
Come on,
give
follow
some.
me.
Hey.
thanks.
You have a handgun
Go!
ammo, but you don't have a handgun.
Go!
Seriously,
I have a-
shotgun.
I don't have what?
You cannot get it
You
to
don't
work
have a
on.
handgun.
Jazz, you cannot get this to work on PlayStation 4 now. This is a PlayStation 2 game.
Unless you're a hacker.
We make it work. We make it work because it's emulated on PC.
What?
Right.
Oh, illegally.
You can't do it on the PS3.
Right, so go this way now. Let's see if we can find that other plate. How many plates are we missing anyway?
Well, I don't know how many we need, so it's hard for me to know that
I don't
answer.
know. I said 8 in the beginning, but I was exaggerating.
Yeah, you said 8?
Yeah,
That
yeah.
seems like a lot.
Nah, probably
I'm
6.
hoping like 6.
Probably
Yeah.
6, something like that, yeah. Let's go this way. This way.
Oh yeah. You know what? I did the ammo.
Oh no! Oh no! Gas!
No!
Gas! I'm just gonna keep running.
Well,
Gas!
Let's run!
Gas!
Let's go to red boys!
Gas!
Basement!
Oh, you
Save
went to
us.
the basement? No, I went through the door. Night duty room next to the.
Oh, I thought you wanted to go check out the basement.
Yes, but I'm gonna check here first. See if there's anything here. If there's anything.
Alright, you go check there. We'll check the basement. Let's go cheer, man.
Alright, I'm gonna join you later. I mean, I'm gonna.
I'm gonna check.
Die, zombie cop.
Oh. There's something here. I'm gonna.
For some reason, it says stomach. Oh, a shotgun. There's a shotgun here.
Stomach.
Yeah, it says stomach on the locker. It says stomach. I don't know why.
That's weird.
I don't know why it says stomach. It's very odd.
That's a battery.
I found a pipe.
Battery.
I found Amy's pipe.
Oh, Amy.
Amy.
Rocky.
Oh god, no.
That's the big
Okay.
Rocky out there.
Okay, listen, the autopsy room is gassed.
All right.
Okay, I'm not gonna go in there.
I think we need to go there. I think I found a plate in there earlier. No, we did
Yeah.
find a plate there,
Yeah.
so we need to go there for sure.
Well, the room is gassed, so we need canister.
I'm coming down now. I'm coming downstairs now.
Or we can wait.
Let's go.
Oh, Dallas says we need 2 more plates. He's the expert.
All right. I know where the next one. I think the last one is given to us by Ben. I think.
Well, Ben doesn't have anything, right? He keeps saying he left it somewhere.
Yeah, we probably need to give him a file or something, and then.
Oh, sneaky,
Only
sneaky.
Then, yeah. All right. Has somebody picked up? Did you go in the autopsy room? Did you pick up the?
No, it was poison.
The room is poison.
But
There's gas in there.
I'm gonna go in there. I don't care.
Cheer farted in there. Cheer farted in there now.
Oh wow, it is poison. It is poison. Out, 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 out.
Yeah, there is.
He didn't believe you.
No, I was hoping he was gone by now.
Yeah, there is a canister upstairs, up the stairs.
Yeah, I know, I saw it, but like, nah, by the time I get there, it's gonna be cleared. Where's TRU anyway? TRU!
I'm down. Help me. Give me a hand here. Can you use a hand here? Oh, Dallas asked if we got the one in the kennel. I don't think we did get an emerald.
Okay, I'm in the
Kennel.
control room. Think?
I'm back in the autopsy room. I'm gonna see if I can go in now. Nope, still gassed. Oh, it just cleared. It just cleared the second. Nice.
Okay.
Alright guys, I got another plate. I got the emerald plate.
Nice. Okay, so we do need to give Ben something.
I think so, yeah, I think so.
He wants something.
So,
Okay, so how about we make an exchange?
Alright, so.
I give you shotgun on, then you give me the handgun. How about that?
What? Huh? Are you talking to me?
Yeah. Yeah, a shotgun,
what
right?
What do you
Yeah,
got?
a shotgun. I
Oh,
say,
shotgun? Yeah. I have a
yeah.
shotgun.
I have a shotgun on. I can give them to you, and you give me the handgun.
Where are you? TRU,
I'm in the
I'm
I'm
not
in the
behind you.
basement with the cars and stuff. I like the garage. I'm coming out though.
Okay, just wait on you.
Okay.
Oh, there you
All
are.
right,
There you
all right,
are.
desperate cheer. I'll give you your handgun round.
Hey, you.
There you go.
Where are you? I have Dane's
Thanks.
shotgun. Alright, fine. I'll shotgun
Nice.
up. General
baby.
Mark has
With
a
the
shotgun.
shotgun.
He says,
Yeah.
he says, dance, boy.
So what is he looking for? What is Ben looking for exactly? What are we supposed to find for him?
Let's see. Dallas says
What should they look
a
for
secret
documents?
file plus Ben equals blue plate.
There
So we
go.
need a secret file.
A secret file. Where is the secret file? Secret.
What files do you have already? I have
Oh god.
Station
No,
Police
no, no, no,
Mission.
no, no, no.
Marvin's memo is what I
No.
have.
What seems to be the problem, Cheer?
The hallway outside is gas.
A hunter?
No, the hallway outside. The room. We'll go outside and it's gas. There's gas.
Oh,
Oh.
there's a canister here. I can clear it out.
Knock it
I
out.
can clear it out.
Move out! Go!
Who's trying to break in here?
I don't know. I'm gonna hold the door.
Shotgun General
Gonna
Mark
hold the door.
says you
Gonna
want
hold the door.
that. Hold the door! Hold the door! Hold the door!
Yeah.
Help me,
You
please!
guys go in.
What are you doing? Help me, please! Please help me!
Oh, I got you, mother. I got you, mother.
What's inside the drawer? Whoa!
Hey, I got the secret file.
Shotgun turds!
I got the secret file.
You found the
Hey,
secret
like,
file,
are you-
really?
Yeah, it was on the desk.
Are you kidding? Let's go!
wow.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's
Wow,
go! We got
never
this!
would have found that.
We got this! I actually checked
Oh,
that
thanks
drawer,
for
but
that.
it says nothing important.
Yeah, but Well, actually,
Oh, it's poison! It's poison out here. Do not go out. Do not
Oops.
go out.
yeah, we need the canister or something.
I thought you had the canister thing.
Oh yeah, there is.
Hold on a sec, guys. Hold on a sec. I need to answer the phone. Hold on.
Yeah, I found 2 canisters.
Like, stop being popular.
Okay, I'm gonna go and use one.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
just shut
yeah,
up Vloggy's
I
face.
already did that.
What'd you say,
That
Vloggy?
is-
What'd you say? You want to die today, Vloggy?
Okay, the room is clear.
Train it.
The room is
Okay,
clear.
got it. Okay, I was just threatening Vloggy. I'm good
Yeah,
now.
Bloggy's answering his phone. Okay, the room is clear now.
Alright, chill. Let's abandon Vloggy and go win the level.
Yeah, let's go. So where do I have to go?
Um.
We need to go to Ben. Welcome back.
Okay, I'm
Oh,
back.
hey, Vloggy. We weren't gonna abandon you or anything.
Alright, so where was I?
Not this way.
Oh no, actually I was gonna Ben.
Did you get the file? Did you give the file to Ben?
No, not yet.
No.
I don't know
No,
where he
we
is.
don't know where to go.
What?
Yeah, oh, actually, oh, no, I know where to go.
Where'd you go?
I'll meet you next to Ben. I'll meet you next to
Here,
Ben.
did you just go in the garage? That's not where you go.
No, this
Not
way.
go in the
This
garage.
way, true.
Yeah, you have to go to
This
the
way.
garage.
It is the garage?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
through
Right,
the
that's
garage.
right.
Yeah.
That's right, it's through the garage. Thinking the garage. She's not in the garage.
Oh.
You touch my tra-la-la.
Okay, there's a handgun on the car.
I'm gonna push the box away from the car. So, oh, I want to show you guys something. Hold on.
There's a gun.
Check out what it says. The description of that tank, that gasoline tank. Check out the description. What it says.
Where? I knew that was coming. Cheer, use the
I'm so sorry. Let me give him a. Oh, you can take mine. Hold on. Oh, I don't even have any healing. Oh, there's one here. There's one here. Cheer.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna take it. You shot me. You bastard.
I was gonna take. Oh!
Oh no! Oh
Poison!
no! All right. Whew, he just saved us. He just saved us.
After you betrayed him, that's pretty good.
Thank you.
Right.
That was hilarious. I wanted TRU to get it actually, but.
I know you did. I know you did.
All right, this way, guys. This way. This door over here.
Yeah, there's a gun in the car.
Let's go. Oh, that's.
Yeah.
Let's go. We almost got this. I know what needs to be done. I know what needs to be done. I think.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what needs to be done. Ow! Stop it. Not cool.
Don't touch TRU.
Only Vloggy can touch me.
Only
I mean, nobody touches me.
All right, let's go.
There's me.
Let's go. We got this.
We're gonna win. Oh, Mr. X doesn't show up, does he?
Not in this one, but there will be. There will be Mr. X. All right, so give him the five. Do it now. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper.
Go now!
Do you have the plate?
Blow both your brains off.
Wait,
No,
how
you
do I
just-
give it to him?
You just need to talk to him.
Go!
Oh,
Help me!
Shitty chat with him.
Did he get the
no,
thing?
I'm not.
Help!
Yeah.
Oh yes, you got it. Let's go. Back to the main hall. Follow me. Let's go.
Snap back to
Yeah.
reality! Oh, there goes gravity!
We got
hurry!
this. We got this. Oh my goodness, get ready for the fight of your life now, huh?
No.
I'm ready.
Not
Yes.
ready for that. I have no healing items. I need to find some healing items if we're about to get in the fight of our lives here.
Let's go.
Yeah,
It's gonna be
yeah,
awesome.
I'm
I know a
ready.
shortcut actually. Follow me. I know a shortcut.
Oh, do you now?
I should trust Vloggy.
No. This time,
Extremely
trust me. I know a
explosive
shortcut. No, this time, trust me. I know a shortcut.
Okay. Okay, I trust you.
All right. Let's go. This way. Watch out for the
Alright,
zombie.
Oh yeah.
Go next to the boxes and go through the crack on the floor or whatever. It's crack in the wall.
Absolutely don't trust you.
Oh,
Go through
let's
the
not take
hole
us
in the
outside, right?
Yes, exactly. We're gonna be right next to the police station entrance.
Oh yeah, next to the door with the electric rope.
Exactly.
Outside.
Yeah, this way. I also have another plate to place.
Oh yeah, this is what you were talking about. That before, when you said it was locked.
What?
You said something was locked. Hey, zombie.
All right, let's go here real quick because I'm at 70% virus. What's your percentages are? What's your percentages like?
88.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I'm at 77.
Yeah. What about you, Vloggy?
All right, 70. All right, so I'm gonna place my thing here? Alright, one more to go. One more to go.
What? We have another one? I thought you got the last
No,
one.
he's got the last one.
Yeah, I get the.
Cheers got the last
one. I'm on my way. Yeah, I need to hit the controls in this game.
I love this music.
Spin around here.
Let's just wait for cheer.
Hey! Oh, I thought that was a zombie walking the front door. Let's go, cheer.
Come on, cheer.
Get that dirtbag suit in gear.
Weird. Okay.
Okay, cutscene.
Oh. Hey, where'd those cops go? They were right there.
Okay,
Oh, they're there.
It'll take at least an hour to get through a space this narrow.
Yeah,
Use this to keep in touch with me. Doesn't have much range, but the signal should get through if I'm close by.
Leave it to me. I
Leave
promise
it
I'll
to
be
me,
back
I'll
with
take
help.
care of this.
Wait, what?
Is this a tunnel?
I don't know.
What is up to? So, of course, should we go inside?
Oh. Was that supposed to happen?
I
Did
don't
we
know.
just kill her?
I think I don't know what we need to do now. Hold on.
Hey, Will Smith.
Marvin! Marvin!
Hey, you made it!
Sorry to keep you waiting. I'm headed your way now. I'll pull the truck up to the front gate, so get everyone together there. I won't be able to keep that position long, so hurry up, okay?
Oh,
I'll contact you
okay,
again
Dallas.
All right, be careful.
I'm not so sure if we need to open the gate now back in the garage. You know there was like a gate.
Yeah, I
I
read
think we
that.
need
It
to
said
open
there's
that.
no need to do that now.
Yeah,
but
let's
now
go
there's
down.
no
Let's
need.
go now. Let's see if we can do it now. Hold on.
Yeah.
That's all I can think of.
Oh, Marvin, no!
Marvin, no! What? What just happened?
Yeah. That's Marvin. Wait,
Listen up,
I was
everyone.
Marvin outside, then that's inside at the same time.
Help's on the way. Get to the front lobby.
We need to go to the front lobby.
Did I screw this up? Because I think I triggered something. Yes or no?
You definitely triggered something.
Yes. I
don't know
spoke
if
to the
it's
cop
good or
and he said
bad.
something. I don't know what he said, and I just said yes.
Oh. Well,
Story of my life.
I guess we'll figure that one out.
Uh-oh. No, it wasn't me
Oh,
this
boy.
time.
Who did that? Who
I didn't
keeps
do that.
triggering things? Hey, I'm back in my security outfit.
Oh, of course.
Oh, why didn't we like bar those doors?
Of course. Of course. Yeah. Guys, get
So,
ready. Let's see
There's
who's...
a lot of zombies.
Alright, the game is not about surviving now. Let's see who's gonna be standing the last. We're all gonna
Oh,
die.
last
The
man
competition is
wait.
whoever's standing last.
wait, what do you
Okay.
mean? Wait, what do you mean?
No, we have to kill the zombies. Ah! Oh, come on, seriously?
Here, just come over here.
Oh, there's herbage. Oh, nice. Who did that?
There's herbage everywhere. Oh, I shot it. Man.
Reloading. Yeah.
Once I ran out of shotgun ammo, I only have 15
So,
bullets. If you let them come in big groups, my shotgun is serious. Here, what are you doing? There you
trying to kill the zombie.
go. Yeah, I see you. I see you. The big group comes, let me shotgun them. Way easier. I'll get these two.
So, wait, so what now?
We just have to shoot zombies. Yeah, we just have to shoot zombies.
Hey, I have a padlock key. What's that padlock? I have a padlock key.
A what
A
key?
key. A key.
Key?
Padlock.
Key. Really?
Yeah.
I don't think we're using any keys right now.
Exactly. I mean, I know what that key does. It opens the roof. You know there was like a door locked on the roof?
Oh.
Whoa, watch out. Watch out.
These zombies better watch out. Is Cheer over there hiding?
Yeah, of course.
No.
Let us do the dirty
No,
work.
I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding.
Oh, he's on danger. He's bleeding.
Yeah, I'm fighting some zombies here.
I'll come
Who's
save
that?
you. Heal up, yo, heal up. That blew up a zombie good.
Good, we're doing good, we're doing good, we're doing good, we're gonna do this.
There's a zombie here.
Yeah, let me take care of that guy.
Now.
Let me take care of that guy.
Okay.
Whoa, he just teleported right in front of my face.
Yeah, that's the problem. Keeps teleporting.
Running out of ammo.
I got my trusty magnum. Once I run out of ammo, I'm gonna switch to the magnum.
So we just don't need the key, right?
No, we don't need it.
No.
Okay, good.
It's a good thing,
Yo, out of ammo now. You spoke too soon. Oh god.
Man, zombies are teleporting! Help me, please!
I'm gonna help you. I just have 15 bullets left of my handgun, and then I can't help you anymore. Is there like storyline or plot as to why there was poison gas everywhere? In
Yes,
the
it's nerve gas. It's a case of a security breach, stuff like that. They just gas. But it happens to enhance also with fires.
Oh, terrible, terrible idea. Way to go, RP. Oh! He's a sprinting zombie. He's a sprinter. I have like a couple bullets left, and then I'm gonna be completely useless.
So,
actually, true. Take these. Take these. Hurry up, take them.
I got him. Run.
We did it. We did it.
yes,
I think
this
so.
is online. Yes!
Boom!
Yes!
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, y'all.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Oh, it's the guy from Outbreak 1.
Hurry!
Oh, yeah.
The guy who was setting up the bomb. He's like, I don't know what to do.
He's no longer with us.
Is this everyone?
Oh, yeah.
What about Marvin?
Marvin is no longer with
This
us.
is what happened to Marvin. This is what happened to Marvin. He's like, go.
Marvin!
He's like, we're not leaving
Don't
without
worry
you. He's
about
like,
me.
go. I
Just
said,
get
go.
going.
I'll take care of
No
them.
way! I'm not leaving you behind!
He's like, I'm too chicken. It's the second time I'm gonna cowered away.
Yeah, this guy's like, I'm totally gonna leave you behind. So long, sucker.
It's true. That's what he did.
Marvin!
And he's like, okay, go without me. But, she's crying. She's like,
You
Marvin
don't
rip.
need to worry about him,
Marvin
Rita.
rip.
He was born to be a cop. It'll take a lot more than that to stop a tough guy like him. Hell, we haven't even finished training the new recruits yet.
Look at this now. We're
Right,
gonna see a
Marvin?
car passing by. Look, you see that car? That's Claire and Leon. That's Claire and
Wait.
Leon. Did you see the police
I
car
didn't see any
driving
car.
past them? Seriously, didn't you? Maybe it's just my scenario then. Because he says, my character says, he still hasn't finished training the new recruits, and he's talking about Leon. And as soon as he says that, he looks out the window, and another car drives past them.
Oh,
And
Vloggy.
it's Claire and Leon. To be continued.
Oh, Vloggy.
Oh.
Woohoo!
Marlena says hi to you.
What?
Marlena
We did it.
says hi to you.
We did it.
We did it. Yeah, baby. Completion.
GG.
Yeah.
GG.
Marlena says hi to you.
Say
And
hi.
it's,
Hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi back at you.
And my screen says, "True, you did everything and did all the best work. Thank you."
Does it? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna have to go because I have to head out. I
Yeah,
have to
same.
go running around with that adult
Yeah.
stuff. Adult life. I have to
Yeah, I
adult
know.
it.
I got an adult today too. Pretty lame.
Yeah. Thank you so much for playing with me. Thank you everyone that joined the
Yeah,
stream.
thank you, everyone.
Thank you for joining my stream,
Yeah.
True stream, and even Cheer stream. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And we're gonna play this again soon. I missed playing Outbreak with you
Yeah,
guys.
true Nightfall, yes.
Anyway, guys, I'll see you next time. Ciao.
All